Introducing the 2026 Valley Ridge 33 RETS, a beautifully designed luxury travel trailer that delivers a refined residential feel, thoughtful craftsmanship, and an atmosphere that feels both elegant and inviting from the very first glance. As you step inside, the interior opens into a stunning living space. To the right, the kitchen is anchored by a large island, while at the back, the main couch with beater seating creates a comfortable and upscale lounge area. On the left, a breakfast table and a second couch add even more versatility. Light wood cabinetry, generous natural light, grey leather seating, marble-inspired textures, upgraded lighting fixtures, and light wood flooring all come together to create a bright and sophisticated setting. Taking a closer look at the kitchen, the elevated design continues throughout. Black appliances, black metal fixtures with gold accents, and a full-sized fridge and freezer, pantry, 4-burner stovetop, microwave, oven, and extensive storage make this space feel both luxurious and exceptionally functional for everyday living or extended stays. Across from a secondary couch, the TV and fireplace entertainment center creates a warm and inviting focal point for the living area. Even the finer details feel intentional, including the pull-out dog bowls built into the island, adding a thoughtful and beautifully integrated touch for pet owners. A closer look at the breakfast dining table and surrounding seating highlights just how welcoming and welcome host this space feels, offering the perfect setting for quiet mornings, shared meals, or relaxed evenings indoors. The main couch is framed by abundant natural light and accented by side tables, giving the space a polished residential character that feels calm, open, and exceptionally comfortable. As we take in the layout once more and begin moving towards the bedroom, the flow of the RV feels seamless, balancing open concept living with a sense of warmth, privacy, and intentional design. The bedroom continues that elevated experience with additional storage, beautiful natural light, its own fireplace, mirror doors, and a true closet space that adds both a convenience and a distinctly residential feel. It's a space that's designed not just for rest, but for comfort and everyday livability. In the bathroom, the finishes remain equally impressive. A fully tiled shower, dark wood cabinetry, and black metal fixtures give the room a bold, modern elegance while still feeling practical and beautifully composed. Ready to experience the 2026 Valley Ridge 33 RETS for yourself? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and explore this exceptional luxury RV up close.